call
Ito
me.
pala
I'm in the
yung full
way,
video
pushing the
sa
car because our car
Tagalog
damaged.
tsaka English.
I didn't took a money on you. And also,
Yung
I
stop,
didn't took
ano?
money for you, madam. You know me. Me, money for me, I can find a way by my own. I will never took a money for you. We talk already, right? But why you come here and telling all that lie? I'm come here, I didn't run. I didn't run on the money.
Didn't hide.
I didn't hide, I didn't do everything. Just tell that proof.
Trinap niya ako sa hotel. What do you mean by trinap?
Yes, I don't know what that mean. Trapping?
Trinap mo si madam. Did it happen? Or did it
No.
not?
How come, madam? How? What trapping? What trapping? I don't know.
So no bullying.
No, bully. No, sir. Wait lang, sir. I just
Okay.
explaining first.
Traffic.
Sorry, sir.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
All my fellow Filipinos. Now, this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn. Kanya,